Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen.
In today's video, we are making vanilla cashew nut granola. This is a very simple snack you can munch on or have as breakfast or a craving that you can enjoy at night. So stay tuned and let's get started. These are the tools and ingredients we are using for today's granola. This is just a basic recipe. So we have vegetable oil, we have a quarter cup of pure natural honey, we have some vanilla essence, 2 cups of rolled oats, and half cup of cashew nuts. We are going to be using our spatula, our spoon, our jug here for storage, the baking sheet with the parchment paper.
Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe.
To our bowl of oats, we are going to add on our cashew nuts, the oil, honey, and our vanilla essence. We are going to combine everything together until it mixes in thoroughly, and then we'll transfer it into the parchment paper that we've placed in our baking sheet. So we are going to pour it onto the parchment paper. Now we'll spread it out. And then we bake at 160 degrees for 30 minutes. We'll stir in between every 10 minutes. You could also leave it like that on medium to low heat and not stir to get the chunks that you want. This is our regular vanilla granola that we made. We are going to transfer it into our container. And this is how it looks like.
Before we get into the next aspect, please my loves, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you haven't, kindly do so now by clicking on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. There is nothing being charged for just subscribing and joining this delicious and amazing team every single day on your screens. Please subscribe and I promise you are going to enjoy it.
We are going to serve it. We have our Greek yogurt here. We are going to add it into our bowl. Now we are going to pour some of the granola into it. This is how it looks like, so you can basically enjoy it as so. So good. It tastes so good, and I hope you give this recipe a try.
And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.